Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover your Discord account. So for this, first of all, head towards your Discord app. As you open up the app, you will have to go to login in order to recover your account because you've already registered for your account. So tap on login. As you tap on login, you have to enter either your email or your phone number. So simply type in your email or phone number that you used in order to sign up. Since I used my phone number, I have typed in my phone number, and then since you do not remember the password, tap on forgot your password under the password section. After tapping on it, it will say that an SMS will be sent to your phone connected with this account. So here I've already received the one-time password. So type in the one-time password. And then after doing that, you will be directed towards a certain browser. Here, as you're directed towards this browser, you will now be able to change your password. So here I am now going to change my password. And then tap on change password. After that, tap on continue to Discord because it says that your password has already been changed. So tap on continue to Discord. And now what you can do is go to login again, type in your phone number or your email, type in the password that you just set for your account, and then tap on login. After doing so, here you can see that you have now been successfully able to log into your account, which means that your account has already been recovered. So this is how you recover your Discord account. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.